hookah here will feel.
You know, long me hear your mother warn if you leave friend and company alone. You change all your name to Hatted and Killy.
People production.
Yeah, but look in there, you know, I tell you the truth, you know, you. You're silly, Billy.
Why you say that?
Why me say that? You're not bad than wicked. You're dumb and stupid, boys. They know you're incarcerated.
Bless hello and greetings viewers and subscribers, kings and queen line and lioness. Big up on yourself, I don't know a lion foot. I wish I give thanks to life, saying, yeah man, life is the greatest, you know. Cherish each moment, cause some people just give them so easy, feel them 3 pints so easy, is it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Coming up in this episode, I don't know. A tragic situation, you know, it's very sad. You know what I mean? This youth named Andre. I give him 3 pints. All because I don't know a star, but I'm going to hear what I go on. But first and foremost, I want to send condolences to the families. Them. See, not a nice scene. You see what I say? Not a nice scene at all. So I'm going to show you what I go on and stop and talk. And John will start me have to blur a certain part because I don't know YouTube things still. You see me? And the youths them of today start them nah listen. I don't know. You see me I say? Don't know. So I'm going to get into it. And you can leave on feedback in the comment section what you think, if you are in agreement with me or not. Zine, condolences to the family them again. So I say, yeah man, so let's kick it off. Watch where I go on my viewers and subscribers.
I go now. Never lie, right man. More this life man. Yeah, never lie. Balance, I go balance. I mean.
Some of viewers and subscribers, and if you don't listen keenly on the ear where the youth has said, youth, give them 3 points star. You see me? So I'm going to show you right now a video here, friend them say, brawling, where you say? Bleach out a lie, normal a lie, catch it a lie, and I show you a wheelie thing in my hand. Totally waste. I don't want to say the words like on the spot news media, corner boy. No, these youth are last them way. Star. Last them way. So, for no reason, you know, I walk on the road and I wheel them gun and I show. See? Joke thing.
So, galang ding. Why you quizzing next to officer?
Angie.
Why you quizzing next to
why you incorporate? People. Why you don't tell him to cooperate?
So when you're quizzing neck, he can't cooperate. When you're not quizzing neck, he can't cooperate.
Why you tell him to cooperate?
No, fucking quizzing.
Big man, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop going. Stop going.
Behave yourself, I'm galang.
Stop no man.
Behave yourself, I'm galang.
Angie.
Look your man, you see fire, you can't fucking.
Angie, here no man.
Name junction, I will see. Name junction.
Angie, stop now. Angie.
If you're reaching the gun, I shoot him.
Officer, I know stop. Angie, you can't hear man. One here, you can't hear. Name junction. Watch out. Angie, just go on the phone and stop by the police. Come on, again. Class. Angie, no, you see you. Officer, do me a beg you, John star. Officer, Angie, here the man. Angie, no. Officer, John star, me I tell you. Angie.
Up there, read, up there. Read up there.
Some of viewers and subscribers, sad situation. Let me just send my condolences again to the families them once more. But Andre, you can tell say he's a stubborn youth. Stubborn, nah listen, no respect for the law, no respect for himself, nor his family. Now the youth they look like him about 18, 19, maybe 20. Young looking youth. Zine, I know the visuals, I hear the people in my ball. Andre, cooperate na Andre, listen to Andre, you see you know, all these, you know. At one point, I hear him say, them have to go kill me, suck on the S on the mother. Them have to go kill me, me not gonna wait. Police am try to put him in the jeep, just to bring him to the station enough, maybe question, where's the gun where we see a brandish. You get what me say? Him adamant and determined that he is not going. He rather die, lose his life. And that's what happened on spot. Very horrific, brutal, you know, sad. You know what I mean, my viewers and subscribers? Sad man. All them have to do is just the youth in a handcuff, you know. And when I tell the man wrap around him foot, around the police legs, saying nah go nowhere. The police try to put him in the car, jeep him nah go. Police hold on him neck, you hear the people and say we are strangle him neck. You get me? Them beg him, him families and friends and the ladies them beg him and he rather die in front of them. Them youths are star, the youth them nah learn. I want to the youth them brother. I want to the youth them star. Badness and gun is not the way. And like the youth them nah learn. This generation, unless I give them 3 points, they might get caught up, they might get wrongly influenced, misguided. Rum in a hand, rum and cup in a hand, boom and rum in a cup in a hand. I'll hear them depend. Normal a lie, bleach out a lie. Channel star, viewers and subscribers, very sad man, but let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah man, them have a saying, say who can you will feel, you know. And people look out for my song, dumb and stupid. You know what I mean? It's things like this we talk about, you know, jailhouse or deadhouse star. You see it? Why try to big up yourself, big up everybody, you don't know I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Don't forget to like and share the content. And condolence again to Andre family, them in a star. Very sad man, very sad, but I saw it go. Respect the law.
Hookah here will feel.
You know, long me hear your mother warn if you leave friend and company alone. You change all your name to Hotter than Killy.
People production.
Yeah, I'm looking at you, you know, I tell you the truth, you know, you. You're silly, Billy.
Why you say that?
Why me say that? You're not bad than wicked. You're dumb and stupid, boy. See, they know you're incarcerated.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.